Is that rain getting closer to us outside?
There is some rain getting closer. I'm trying to get some closer to normal fall-like temperatures. I'm not saying anything cool
Whipping it up
is
in your
headed our
cauldron?
way, but more normal conditions. That's going to come with a cold front on Tuesday morning. That's what we're looking ahead to. Storms are likely with the front. The strongest wind will actually be ahead of the front. So we are looking at a pretty strong south-southeast wind as we head into Sunday and Monday. As I mentioned, temperatures closer to normal, not necessarily cool or cold by any means. So we have a decent shot of rain between now and when that front arrives also. So we're looking at a chance for above normal precipitation over the next 10 days. However, as we look 8 to 14 days out, not the best shot at rainfall. Temperatures, unfortunately, are still looking pretty warm down here into Texas. Lightning showing up on our tower camera. That was nice timing. 75 degrees right now. Wind is calm. So one of the days we're getting some rain today. Today, the rain is actually looking pretty healthy. This may be some of the highest rainfall totals we see for this week. You can see right now, this is the storm we got on our tower camera coming up across the Laguna Madre. So Padre Island, National Seashore, Flower Bluff, all of these areas, Padre Island, even into Corpus Christi, south side. This storm, it's moving about 10 miles an hour, so it's kind of slow. But over the next 2 hours, we're going to start to see this rain inching in. It likely will weaken a bit as it moves inland, as most of these storms have. But heads up, rain is on the way. Spotty showers continuing into portions between Beeville, Sinton, Refugio, weakening conditions there along Highway 77, improving conditions if anyone's headed to Houston. Once we get out of the coastal bend, not much rain anticipated toward the Houston area today. Rainfall forecast, you can see most of it right along the coastline. Highway 77 and west of there, mostly just some spotty showers, but still some pockets of heavier rainfall. Once we get into the blues, we're talking over a half an inch of rain, which would be positive. Unfortunately, most of the higher end rainfall totals falling offshore. Rainfall coverage, the best chance of rain is early on this morning, then it dwindles into the afternoon and evening, which is great because a lot of festivals or activities taking place, high school football games, art walk, everything should be calming down by the time we get into the evening. There is a chance for a little bit of rain tomorrow morning during the Harbor Half Marathon. 75 degrees, winds are calm this morning, but they will pick up if you do see one of those thunderstorms. Some gusts maybe around 20-25 miles per hour, but nothing looks crazy. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s, 93 degrees for feels like temperature this afternoon. That's because we are still in this really warm and humid air sector. Now, most of the stormy weather, the risk of severe weather, is going to be along that boundary. We could get what is known as a squall line develop along that front and kind of move across North Texas. We're in the moisture stream, which keeps us with a chance of rain as that front is lifting north. But Sunday, rain is trending down. Monday, we're going to be really windy ahead of this cold front. Then Tuesday morning is when the front arrives, and we are looking at some widespread rain or thunderstorms along that front as it pushes through, weakening as it heads into the afternoon and evening and approaches the Gulf of Mexico. Another warm front lifts north, so we're not going to stay cool by any means. We're only going to get warm again into this second half of next week. But fronts, they're on the map. We are talking about them. There's a chance of them. That means we'll slowly get cooler as we continue to head into winter. But right now on your 7-day forecast, some important things to know. A little cooler today. I dropped the temperature just due to the rain in the area. Winds getting really strong Sunday and Monday. Don't forget Sunday you do change the clocks back. But with that strong southerly wind, I think we'll have a chance at hitting 90 November 3rd, November 4th. Not crazy. That cold front looking to drop temperatures at least 10 degrees, if not a little more. We could stay in the 70s pending the timing of that front, but we quickly are back in the mid 80s as we head into Wednesday and Thursday.